As many of you know, with the role of student body president comes the responsibility of choosing a slogan or motto to help set the tone for the school year. In years past, we've had some memorable ones, like Aiden's "The Job's Not Finished" and Charlotte's "Enjoy the Journey." Both served as reminders to keep something meaningful in the back of our minds as we navigated the challenges and highlights of the year. After the excitement of winning the election, one of my very first thoughts was, wait, what is my slogan going to be? And I felt like I spent my entire summer trying to come up with something that wasn't too cheesy, but still meant something to me. I wanted to find a line that reflected what I value, what I hope for us all, and something that could stick with people as the year goes on. Even though coming up with the motto felt like such a stressful task at times, deep down I knew it would all work out. And that idea actually became the inspiration for my final choice. I found myself leaning on this mindset throughout the summer. Whether it was during Joe, when my group accidentally hiked 4 miles in the wrong direction, or when I traveled to Greece and had to face my fear of heights while visiting an ancient monastery. I kept having to remind myself to stay calm, take a breath, and trust that everything was going to be okay. This approach to life, the belief that even when things don't work out, is something I've tried to ingrain in my mindset, and it's something I hope you all carry too. So, with that, I'm excited to share this year's motto: trust the process. 3 simple words, but a powerful reminder that no matter what this year throws your way, good or bad, it will work out. For freshmen, trusting the process might mean giving yourself grace as you adjust to high school, figuring out where your classes are, finding your people, and learning that it's okay not to have it all figured out on day 1. For sophomores, it might mean staying steady through a year that often feels like the in-between. You're not the new kids anymore, but you're not quite upperclassmen yet. Trust that the work that you're putting in now is building the foundation for what's to come. For juniors, trusting the process can look like surviving the academic grind, college prep, and the pressure to make big decisions about your future. Even when it feels overwhelming, know that this chapter is shaping you in really important ways. And finally, for us seniors, it means soaking in every moment while also navigating the unknowns ahead. College applications, final lasts, and all the emotion that comes with wrapping up this chapter. Trust that where you're headed is exactly where you're meant to go. No matter where you are in your high school journey, trust the process. It may not always be easy, but it's always worth it. And here's the thing, trusting the process isn't just for the big dramatic moments. It's for the little ones too. It's for the group project that feels impossible until it finally clicks, the sports season that starts rough but ends with a win, or the friendship that takes a while to grow but ends up changing your whole year. So as we go through the ups, downs, and everything in between this year, remember that every step, even the messy ones, is part of the story you're writing. I'm so excited to be part of that story with you all. Thank you.